I mentioned in my video yesterday that if you want to approach a dog, put your palm up and give the dog a chance to sniff your hand before you try to pet the dog. Always a good idea, but what I failed to mention is you should never approach a dog. I don't get bitten by dogs, and the reason I don't get bitten by dogs is I never approach dogs. I'll kneel down. If the dog wants to, I'll put my hand out. If the dog wants to come over to me and say hi, great, I'll greet him. But I never walk up to dogs to greet them. And you especially don't want to walk up to dogs in cars. Even if they know you, even if they're friendly dogs, they might guard their space or their owner under those conditions, or they might not recognize you. So be really careful. If you ever decide to approach a dog, do it with caution.